Have you ever wanted to talk about what's happening, like, right this second in Portuguese? Not just today or this week, but literally right now? Well, in this explainer, we're going to master the one simple, super powerful phrase for that exact moment, estar a plus infinitivo.
Now really, just take a second. Look up from your screen. Maybe a car is driving by, or you can hear a dog barking. You're listening to me talk right now, so how would you actually say all that live action in Portuguese?
Well, the fantastic news is that Portuguese has a special key just for this, a structure that's built for these in-the-moment descriptions. And you know, the best part is, once you see it, I guarantee you're going to start hearing it everywhere.
So, what exactly is this magic phrase? Let's jump right in and get to the heart of what it is and what it does. Estar a plus an infinitive verb. And its only job is to describe an action that's in progress. It's not for your daily habits. It's not for general truths. Nope. It is exclusively for things that are happening, you guessed it, right now. Now, what's so great about this is that the idea behind it is probably already second nature to you. If you're an English speaker, this is basically your be plus ing form. You know, like I am talking or they are running. It's that exact same idea, just built a little differently. Let's use that as our mental anchor. And this example just illustrates it perfectly. Look at this. Ela está a ler. She is, at this very second, in the middle of reading. And at the same time, ela não está a comer. She is not in the act of eating. It's like a perfect little snapshot of a single moment in time. So, the main thing to hammer home is this. If you're talking about something that's ongoing, something you could literally watch happening if you were there, this is the phrase you need. It is all about the immediate present. Okay, so the theory is cool, but how do we actually build this phrase ourselves? Well, the formula is surprisingly simple. Let's break it down into easy steps. Think of it like a simple three-part recipe. First, you take the verb estar, which means to be, and you just match it to your subject, whether it's I, you, or they. Step 2, you add the little word a. And finally, step 3, you just drop in the main verb, the action, in its original unchanged form, like falar, to speak, or correr, to run. Now, that first step is really the only tricky part. And, well, here it is, all laid out for you. You just have to match the right form of estar to who you're talking about. Eu estou, você está, nós estamos. You get the idea. This little verb is the engine that makes the whole phrase work.
So let's see it in action. If I want to say I am working, I find the I form of estar, eu estou. Then I just add e trabalhar. Boom. Done. If we are talking, we grab the we form, nós estamos. Then just add a conversar. And notice, trabalhar and conversar don't change at all. It's that easy. All right, let's see how this structure really comes alive in natural, everyday conversations, because this is where we go from just a grammar rule to a real useful tool for communication. Okay, imagine this totally classic scenario. You're on the phone, you call a friend's house, and you ask to talk to them. So you ask, "Can I speak with João, please?" And the answer you get is, "He's taking a shower. He can't answer." See that? It perfectly explains why João can't come to the phone at this exact moment. He's literally in the middle of showering. Here's another fantastic example. Let's say someone asks you, "Posso levar o jornal?" Can I take the newspaper? A perfect, natural reply would be, "Agora no. Eu estou a ler o jornal." Not now. I am reading the newspaper. It's such a clear and polite way of saying, "Hey, I'm kind of busy with this right now."
Or what about this? We've all been there. You need to ask people to keep it down. This phrase is perfect for that.
You're not just saying that they study in general, like they're students. You're saying, "Hey, shh, be quiet, because right now, at this very moment, the act of studying is in progress." It gives your request a real sense of urgency.
And honestly, the uses just go on and on. You want to describe the weather as it's happening outside? Está a chover. It's raining. Need to tell someone to hurry up? Despachemos. O comboio está a chegar. Hurry, the train is arriving. Or just want to explain what you're up to? Estou a escrever. I am writing. It is so versatile for any kind of live action.
Okay, so we've covered the what, the how, and the when. Let's boil all of this down to the one single takeaway that you absolutely need to remember.
Seriously, if you remember nothing else from our little chat today, please let it be this one. Simple, core idea.
That's it. That's the whole game. When you see this structure, estar a plus an infinitive, your brain should immediately just think action in progress. Something is happening right now. This simple equation really is your key to talking about the present moment in Portuguese.
So, there you have it. You now officially have the tool to describe the world unfolding all around you in real time. What you're doing, what other people are doing, all of it. So the only question left is, now that you know what's happening, what's the first thing you're going to talk about?